How to crop a photo on Lightroom app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Lightroom. Now as you can see, this is the home page. Click on all photos and choose the photo that you want to edit. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Now after you choose your photo, all what you have to do is so simple. Just go down here to this bar right here and click on this crop option. As you can see, click on crop, and now as you can see, you can crop the picture as you want from here easily. After you finish, all what you have to do is go to the top corner and click here on save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end, and see you later.